I have my friend here. I haven't given her a name yet. Gotta give her a name. What's your name, girl? Ginger. She's Ginger. Let me go to my favorite place in the world, my salon, TPH Salon. Let me check on Jennelle, this young lady that I heard about, who I am so intrigued by her story, and I just wanna connect. I love sisters, and I just wanna connect. I love girl power, so let me call her.
Hi, Taraji.
I'm so happy to meet you, young lady. You are an inspiration.
No, I love your work. I'm like fangirling so hard right now.
And where are you right now, by the way?
I am in my sister's backyard just hanging. So I was living in a van for like 3 years. My blue van that I was living in broke down. So I'm working on this RV.
What made you decide to leave a smaller footprint on the earth?
Initially, it started out as just a way to save money. Like, I moved into my van when I was 19, and I was living in the Silicon Valley, and it was just so crazy expensive. And I just figured that I can just minimalize my life a little bit and save up. So I spent a year just working, living in the van, and then the following year I spent traveling. And now I'm currently upgrading and I'm building out this RV.
That's amazing. Because that's what life is about. It's not about things. And it's interesting because I just turned 50, and with this pandemic, it has me rethinking my footprint on this earth. But I feel freer and freer the more I think about it.
You know, I think this quarantine just really taught me that life is so unpredictable, and you just have to go with the flow. I thought 2020 was going to be like the year of traveling and all this stuff, and now you just have to adjust. And I'm just trying to make the best out of it, honestly. How have you been dealing with this chaos?
I had separation anxieties at first from my glam squad because with all these Zooms and interviews on Zoom and stuff, but I brushed up on my skills, my cosmetology skills.
Ooh.
When I studied theater, I had to learn how to do wigs and makeup, so I was always a little cosmetologist at heart. And when I got into the business and I started working, I heard about all of these horror stories about women losing their edges and their hair coming out. So I started weaving, and I thought, wow, perfect way to protect my hair, right? But I ran into issues. I ran into issues for scalp care. And when I searched for products to deal with that, couldn't find it anywhere. So what do we do when we can't find it? We create it. So I created this line because there was a need for it. There was nothing out there that catered to scalp care. And that's what TPH is here to do.
Awesome.
I'm interested though, what is your hair care routine like? When you're on the road, how do you wash your hair?
I mean, before the world kind of was at a halt, I would go to yoga in the morning and just kind of use their showers and amenities because the van that I was living in didn't come equipped with that. So that's why I'm really stoked for this guy to have a shower. I know a lot of people who live in a van take outdoor showers and just a quick one. It takes me a minute to really get in there. I think anyone with curly hair knows your shower is 90% your hair care routine and then 10% everything else.
Yep, me as well. I really get into my wash days. It's literally like a spa day. I take my scalp and my hair to the spa just like I would my face and my body. I've been doing a lot of spa days because it's woo-saw for me.
Yeah.
So Jennelle, I sent you a box from Target. Did you get it?
I did. Let me go grab it right now. I'm so excited to see what you gave me. Ooh, it's big. Oh, I got it. Oh my God.
Yeah.
You hooked it up.
Yes, girl.
Oh my God, there's so much. I'm so excited.
So I got you some things that, because I know it's about downsizing and minimalizing. So I just wanted to get you the things that I thought you could use and wouldn't take up a lot of space. I really want you to try this Master Cleanse. Your scalp is gonna feel like you had a peppermint patty.
I love how this is designed.
And it gets the product exactly down to your scalp.
It'll just get in there.
And days I hear you work out, sometimes you don't have the time to do a whole wash day. This Ultra Chill, the smaller one,
Ooh.
It's a cooling serum, but it also moisturizes your scalp. I take this with me everywhere I go.
All right, I'm so excited to use this. And I'm reading on the back, is your whole line vegan?
All of it, everything's vegan.
Wow. This looks bomb.
So Mother Earth is, if you open it, it has a, it looks like clay from the earth that I used to play in as a kid. Open it and smell it. It's really pretty in color. It looks like clay. It's a clay mask.
Ooh, that smells
amazing, right?
I just don't want to stop smelling it.
So how do you like to wear your hair?
You know, with life and building the RV and just nothing like too time consuming. The point is like I need it fast, you know?
Yeah, you're like a wash and go.
A wash and go girl, for sure.
So I think we need to pull that bang off your face because I need to see this pretty face. I just love a good top knot. So let's just do one. Let me see. Yes, honey, that hair is everything. You like the smooth attitude?
Yeah, the smell is incredible.
And see, I'm spraying it on her hair and it's popping her curl.
Ooh, I like her little edges on the side. That's cute.
Yeah, pull yours down too. Yeah, your little wispies.
I don't know if they're gonna be even, but we'll try.
It's okay if it's not even. Sometimes one is longer than the other. That's life.
So Taraji, you are a very well-accomplished woman, and I'm just wondering, like, if you could tell your younger self something, what would you tell yourself?
I would tell my younger self to tell my mother to never put chemicals or perms in my hair. I just wonder what my hair would be like today at 50 if I had virgin hair my entire life.
I mean, speaking of relaxers, that was a big argument in my household. My dad did my hair for most of my life, as well as my stepmother. So they were like, let's just relax it, and like, it'll be way easier to manage. And my sister, who has very similar hair to mine, who's kind of like paying the consequences for getting relaxers so much throughout her youth, like fought so hard for me not to get a relaxer. I mean, I at that point didn't know what was what, but yeah, I'm thankful that I didn't have to endure that. But when I was in high school, it was heat damage. I never wore my hair curly. I hated it.
I know, unfortunately, that stigma was passed down generation to generation to us about not loving our hair. So that's exactly what I would tell my younger self. Your hair is beautiful. You are beautiful just the way you are. Your hair is not meant to be straight. You have a crown. You have hair that defies gravity. There's strength in that. There is strength in that. Your hair points towards the heavens and your skin soaks up the sun. That sounds like a hero. You know what I mean? I would have told myself that. I would have built myself up as a young girl, which I do now. That's why I'm so into this hair care line, making sure younger women, younger girls have things to celebrate their natural selves. So I want you to try the Hustle & Co. Slick for your edges, honey.
Ooh, can you teach me how to, I have no idea how to lay my edges.
I'm gonna show you all of that today. It's really easier than you think. So let's get them edges slicked. Yeah, just squeeze some on your finger and just put it right on the baby hairs. Brush it down. See how I'm brushing it down? Put your finger on what you just brushed down and then swoop it around that finger. Swoop it. And swoop it around the finger. See? And then brush it, whatever you swooped and whatever that piece that's down hanging, brush that into your hair. And you just want to keep doing that cascade down. So the next section, brush that, and then do the next one. The finger is the key. Putting your finger in there, because it helps you wave it. Are you getting the hang of it? You just got to keep playing. It took me a minute, too.
I know we touched a little bit on just like learning to love our hair. I think a lot of people in the curly, coily, kinky hair community, like, it's just been a journey. We're at a pivotal point where people are starting to realize, why do I have to alter what comes out of my head? It's me, it's who I am, it's part of me.
You know, everything I do in my work, it's very imperative that it's representation of us. A lot of this younger generation, they're not gonna have the stigma around here the way we had. Because when I grew up, we didn't have this representation on television. And it was when I did a photo shoot for C Magazine, and Bruce Weber, who was this world-renowned photographer, walked in on me when we were discussing wardrobe, and I didn't have my wig on, I just had the braid down. And he walks in and he goes, "Oh, beautiful, we will shoot that." And I said, no, I was like, we can't shoot this. No, please, you don't understand. Let me explain. Let me explain. I know black hair. You don't get it, but let me explain. And I went and got the wig. He said, no, we will shoot this. It is not about your hair. It is about your face. And I got goosebumps right now because I don't think that Bruce Weber really understands what he did that day. He set me free. I'll never forget that feeling, ever. I just left that photo shoot just beaming inside out. And so representation in hair, it's like anything. We didn't have products for us. And now the beauty industry goes, oh, there's money to be made here. And now everybody's into natural hair care line. But I love to see it because what it's doing is now you're seeing representation everywhere. And these babies need it. They need it.
100%. I wish I had those role models and those figures at those times.
I can't even remember if Bruce Weber has an accent, but it just felt exotic. Bruce, if you ever see this, I'm sorry if I gave you an accent, but I thought it was sexy. So Jennelle, what do you have going on next? Where is your next venture gonna take you? Are you venturing out anywhere, or are you just staying put for right now?
I'm just trying to, be present, take it day by day, and, focus on this guy.
I love it. Well, I'm gonna be following your journey on Instagram because I am blown away by you, young lady.
Thank you so much, Taraji, for spending this time with me and sharing all of your stories about hair and just everything. Thank you again also for this lovely basket. You have no idea what that means to me.
Well, I'm stalking your Instagram, so you stuck with me now.
Bye.
Take care, Mama. Take care.
I had an amazing time chatting it up with Taraji. She taught me so much about just her life and hair care. She has my edges looking a little better. Check out the next episode with Emma Chamberlain and Charles Melton. Watch it now.